What is up, guys? Welcome back to another tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to disable this extremely annoying volume should be turned down notification. This is on by default, and I guess I could see why Apple would do that, but to me it's super annoying, especially when I'm connecting to my car and it's telling me to turn it down and it's not even that loud. It drives me nuts. So I'm going to show you guys quickly here how to disable this annoying volume should be turned down notification. So all you got to do is go into settings, go down to accessibility, and then scroll down until you see audio and visual right here. Go ahead and select on that, and then scroll down until you see the headphone notifications, and you just toggle that off, turn off, and there you go. Now you will never get the notification saying that headphones need to be turned down on your device. Super simple to disable that, and it's a super annoying notification to be constantly getting. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That helps me out a ton here at the channel. This has been Cosmic, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.